Welcome back to Learning with the Difference news headlines for today's morning assembly. Thousands of Indians flown out of Ukraine under Operation Ganga, Foreign Secretary. Maharashtra orders high-level probe into power outage in areas of Mumbai. Uttar Pradesh saw voter turnout of 54% till 5 pm, 4.5% less than the corresponding data in 2017. Kerala eases COVID restrictions, allows full occupancy at theatres, bars, clubs, hotels. India's position has been consistent. Foreign Secretary on Ukraine crisis. And now some international news. G7 vows. New Russia sanctions if invasion continues. Canada, France, Germany, Italy, Japan, Britain and the United States warned in a joint statement that they would take further steps. Putin ordered his defense chiefs to put the country's deterrence forces on high alert, accusing Western countries of taking unfriendly steps against his country amid Moscow's invasion of Ukraine. 2,000 arrested in Russia's Sunday anti-war protests, total now 5,500. World's largest plane An-225 Mriya, meaning dream in Ukrainian, made in Ukraine, destroyed by Russians, said a minister. UN Secretary Council to hold emergency meeting on Ukraine today. Massive Berlin protest as 1 lakh people march in Ukraine solidarity. Ukraine urges foreigners to join international brigade to fight with Russia. And now some sports news. Ex-cricketer Vinod Kamble arrested in Mumbai accident case, out on bail. Don't have to worry about your positions. Rohit Sharma's message to India teammates after T20 International Series sweep versus Sri Lanka. French Football Federation calls for Russia to be thrown out of 2022 FIFA World Cup. India versus Sri Lanka, third T20 International. India equal record for most consecutive T20 International wins with Sri Lanka clean sweep. And these are today's news headlines. Thank you to all of you. Have a nice day.